Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Internet access and that airplane mode is off because many problems are connectivity, not Safari. Next, restart the device to clear transient glitches. Once done, open a different site to see if the error repeats. If pages still fail, check DNS. Make sure you aren't using a broken resolver and switch to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8. 8. This often resolves name lookup failures, which are common causes of the Safari cannot open page message. Now focus on corrupt caches or extensions. Clear Safari's cache, website data, and history to remove stale resources that block page load. Then disable content blockers and extensions because a misbehaving blocker can prevent requests. Alternatively, open a private window to bypass stored cookies and session issues. If pages still fail, reset network settings to restore defaults. This removes proxy entries, stale VPN routes, and problematic MTU tweaks. These steps remove intermediate obstacles between your device and the web. Finish by verifying SSL and system integrity. Ensure date and time are accurate because incorrect clocks cause certificate failures that show the cannot open page error. Inspect the certificate warning. If a site cert is invalid, avoid bypassing security unless you trust it. Next, update iOS or Mac OS and Safari because fixes often ship in patches. If problems persist, test another browser to isolate Safari and, as a last resort, restore from a recent backup or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.